Hey, what's up guys, Miles here. So I got a question for you. Has anyone ever put a gun to your head? To put a gun to someone's head means to force someone to do something that they don't want to do. For example, I chose to make this video. Nobody put a gun to my head. A big gun is a person who has a lot of power or influence in a group or company. For example, Arnold is a big gun in bodybuilding and Hollywood and politics and business. You know what I mean. If you stick to your guns, you continue to have your own opinion about something, even though other people are trying to tell you that you're wrong. Like how I told Donald Trump not to impose any more sanctions on Iran, but son of a gun stuck to his guns and did it anyway. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Signing out, Miles.